Happy afternoon. I'm Dr. B.F. Anil Kumar, a professor at Department of Mechanical Engineering from BNM Institute of Technology. Today, let me do a simple problem on isometric projection. The problem it goes like this: a sphere of diameter 50 mm rests centrally on a top of a cube of 550 mm. Draw the isometric projection. See, by reading this problem, you can come to know that there are two solids which are placed one above the other. The one is called as a sphere, other one what we call as a cube. Like that, there are two solids. See, we have two solids here. One is called cube of side of base 50 millimeter, 50 millimeter, 50 millimeter. Above that, we have a sphere of diameter. Let us say it is a sphere. It is placed centrally on the top face of a cube. How we can draw this projection isometrically means observe here. So very simple. This is a front view of the combination of a solid, and this is what is called as a cube, and it is what is called as a sphere, in which both the axes of the solids are collinear. Get the top view. If I draw a top view of this, top view it will be a square. Top view it will be a square. This is a square. Let us say ABCD of side 50 millimeter. Sphere, when I draw here, it will be a circle in the top, right? So now, to draw this combination of solid in isometric projection, initially I should draw the isometric scale. What is this called as? Isometric scale. Isometric scale. What are the isometric scales here? Draw a line called OX, horizontal line. Keep protractor at O, measure 45 degree and draw a line called AO, where the angle AOX at an angle 45 degree, the angle BOX it is at an angle 30 degree. And this is what is called as actual scale, and it is what is called as isometric scale. On this actual scale, mark the actual measurement. Take 1 centimeter actual measurement, take 2 centimeter actual measurement, take 3 centimeter actual measurement. This is my actual measurement. How do you convert that actual measurement into isometric measurement? Means from 1 you draw a vertical line perpendicular to OX, from 2 you draw a line perpendicular to OX, from 3 you draw a line perpendicular to OX. So this is isometric length of 3 centimeter, isometric length of 2 centimeter, isometric length of 1 centimeter. This is how we should convert the actual scale into isometric scale. Now, let us solve the problem by means of isometrically. How? First, we have to concentrate on how to draw a cube of side 50 millimeter by means of isometrically. So, very simple. You draw a horizontal line. You draw a what? Horizontal line. Now, this is what is called as a cube. So, it has two end faces, like top face and bottom face. And these end faces are connected by what? Another 4 square faces. So first let me complete the bottom face and then go to top face. So what is the top it will be? It is square of ABCD. When I enclose this square AB, initially we have to enclose the square in a box. The box is 1, 2, 3, 4. This square 1, 2, 3, 4 I should draw isometrically. How? Draw a horizontal line, fix the point here, draw 30 degree line and draw 30 degree line. This is at an angle 30 degree to the horizontal. This is at an angle 30 degree to the horizontal. So this square 1, 2, 3, 4 I should draw as a rhombus in case of isometric projection. How? We take the measurement of 1 to 2. Take the measurement of 1 to 2, that is the actual 50 millimeter. Mark it here on the actual scale. From 5 you draw a vertical line. Draw a vertical line. This is isometric length of 50 millimeter. After taking the measurement with the help of a compass, mark 1 to 5. 1 to 5, that is 1 to 4, 1 to 2 of isometric length of 50 millimeter. Similarly, take 1 to 4, convert it to isometric length of 50 millimeter. Mark here. This is 1 to 4 of iso length of 50 millimeter. So mark 1 to 2 at an angle 30 degree, in which 1 to 2 is isometric length of 50 millimeter. Take the measurement of 1, 4 of iso length of 50 millimeter. After that, passing through 4, you draw a line which is parallel to the 30 degree line. See, from 4 you draw a line parallel to the 30 degree line. From 2 you draw a line 30 degree line. So that square is written by means of isometrically. Very simple. After marking 1, 2 and 4, from 2 draw a 30 degree line, from 4 you draw a 30 degree line parallel to this. I got the square and the rhombus in isometric projection. That means this part is completed. Now to go to top face, I should erect a height from each corner in which height of the cube is 50 millimeter. So what you have to do? From 4 you draw a vertical line of isometric length of 50 millimeter. Please measure here. While drawing from actual to isometric, please convert them actual length into isometric length. So take the measurement of isometric length of 50 millimeter. From 2 you take the measurement of iso length of 50 millimeter. From 2 you take the iso length of 50 millimeter. And again from 3 you take the iso length of what? 50 millimeter. From each corner 1, 2, 3 and 4 you take iso length of 50 millimeter and connect. So that completes what? A cube. That means now I completed the cube part. That means cube it has been written by means of isometrically. Now coming to the last second part. What is the second part of the combination of solid here? That is sphere. Sphere it is placed centrally on the top face of a cube. How do we draw that? Sphere, please remember, when you draw a sphere isometric projection, it should be like a sphere only. If you see the ball at any direction, it looks like a sphere only. How we can draw that? First you draw a horizontal line, draw a vertical line for the top face, you will get the center called O1. So, the sphere of dia 50 mm is given, the radius from here to is 25, but what 25 have to take it here? You take iso 25. From O you take iso 25, measure actual 25 here, from here you draw a vertical line, you take iso length of 25 with O1 as center, mark O2, where O1, O2 it is of length isometric of 25 mm. Now with O2 as center, take actual 25, very important. Isometrically, how we can draw a sphere mean? Always you take the isometric length of the radius. But that as center, take actual 25 as radius. Why? Because sphere at any direction if you see it, it looks like a sphere only. So what you have to do? From O2 as center, take actual 25, you just draw a circle. You just draw a what? Circle. So what is the radius of this? It is actual radius of 25 millimeter. See now with O2 as center, actual 25 you draw a circle. Now coming from top to bottom, you make the top face completely. Top is completely a dot. My front vertical faces. Which are to be dot. My front vertical faces which are to be what? Dot. Here you can understand that the sphere of dia 50 millimeter, it is placed centrally on a cube of side 50 millimeter. So in which both the axes of the solid are collinear. So the